Hey guys, welcome to my first video ever on this channel. I am Cosmic Red, but you can call me Mr. Cosmic. Today, we're going to be showing the easiest ways to get to the planetarium map. Time for the first way. The first way is going to be the normal way. Don't forget to get a light and a grappler if you have it unlocked. I just threw my backpack. Okay, follow my steps. I'm gonna speed this up, but y'all can slow it down to see how I got there. And we are here. I'm gonna put up the time that took me to get here right now. I'm gonna get these crystals and I'll come talk to you when I get back. And that was the normal way how to get to the planetarium. I'm gonna give y'all a tip how to get back to the lobby faster than going all the way. Try to jump from here to the green planet. There, and when you're at this place, eat both of them, and you will be back as a giant. And now the second way. You're gonna need the grappler for the second way so you could get over to the planetarium. You will need a teleport grenade and a grappler. Let's go. You're gonna go over here, activate your grenade, drop it, pick it up until it goes on the floor, and drop it. You are here now. You're gonna walk over to here, to this side. You're gonna grapple here. And you see that thing is the planetarium with those planets. You're gonna grapple onto here. It's gonna become dark like this, and you just grapple over to there. Make sure not to go into the map, and if you want, you can use rockets. I made it over to this place, but you can make it farther, like I did one of the times. And don't be scared, the spider can't come over here. And here we are. That was the second way. That was definitely faster. I'm gonna put up the time here on the screen. Now, we're gonna use the same tip that I told you, and we're gonna do it. So yeah, guys, that was all the ways to get over to the planetarium easy. If I figure out new ways how to get there, I will definitely make a part 2. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to see more of my videos. Bye, guys!